Beehive cake. First things first, let's check all the food ingredients for the beehive cake. 2 1/3 teaspoons baking powder. 2 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 3/4 cup whole milk. 3/4 cup honey. 12 tablespoons unsalted butter. 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons sugar. 3 large eggs. Some buttercream frosting. Fondant bees and flowers for decorations. Simply pour some flour into the bowl. Yummy! A little bit of salt. YOLO! Some baking powder. Great! Mix the dry ingredients with the egg blender. Pour some butter. Great! Spoon some sweet sugar into the bowl. Sweet! Don't forget to add some pure honey. It smells so good! Let's add 3 large eggs. Aha! Let's mix it up. Good job! Now choose the speed of the food blender by sliding the speed buttons. Well done! Medium speed. Well done! Now simply pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Good job! Pour some delicious milk. Mmm, so yummy! Let's mix again. Good job! Now choose the speed of the food blender by sliding the speed buttons. Well done! Medium speed. Well done! Pour the fluffy honey cake batter into the cake mold. Beautiful! Fabulous! Good job! Now bake your food about 30 minutes. Well done! Yummy! Drag the cake onto the cake board. Good! Great choice! Let's cut the cake top with a cake knife. Great! Lovely! Drag the cake onto the cake board. Nice! Pipe some fluffy buttercream onto the cake. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Aha! Pipe some fluffy buttercream onto the cake. Beautiful. Fabulous. It's time to drag the last cake. Good job. Let's cut the cake into the beehive shape. Hello. Wrap the cake with some buttercream. Great. Paint a lovely door with the icing bottles. Great! Wrap the honey cake with fluffy cream. Lovely! Let's decorate the beehive cake with adorable fondant bees. Nice! Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
Yummy! Delicious!
Finally, decorate the cake with some fondant flowers. Aha! The yummy beehive cake is done. It looks so good. Time to decorate. Choose whatever you like to decorate your food. Beautiful. Fabulous. Good job. Good. Great choice. Great! Let's ring for food.